What's the difference between snoring and sleep apnea? And is snoring always sleep apnea? Now, they are certainly related. Snoring and sleep apnea occur when there's a blockage between the top of your windpipe and the back of your nose. There's three sorts of blockage in broad terms that can occur. If the blockage is partial, but there's still lots of flow, then that's simple snoring. And if I can illustrate, that's like that. Noisy breathing, but no blockage. Secondly, you can have what's called a hypopnea, which means reduced breathing, and that's where you get noisy, partially blocked breathing. So that's a sort of scenario. And in technical terms, it's when the airflow is reduced by 50%. Or you can have a complete blockage where the airway closes over altogether, perhaps after a period of simple snoring or hypopnea. So it might start out as simple snoring, go to a hypopnea and end up in an apnea. So that's a blockage. So snoring isn't sleep apnea. Snoring doesn't always result in sleep apnea, but the two are very, very commonly associated, and one may be an indicator that the other is present.